morning, kindergarten. Okay, let's start our review lesson by writing our new sight words. We got 2 new sight words this week. There's our big, long sight word list behind me. Oh my goodness, we've learned so many. All right, our first new sight word was the word do. Like, do you like to play outside? Do. Okay, well, our old sight word, to, like, I'm going to give this to you. We know that's T-O, right? So if to is T-O, do you think do would be, instead of a T, duh, it would be a D, D-O. So to, like I'm going to give this to you is T-O, and do, like do you like to play outside, is D-O. So to, do. All right, the next new sight word we learned this week was 4 letters in it. It has 4 letters. That's a long sight word. It's the sight word from. Like, I got so many nice cards from you. From. Okay, let's spell it. That's an F. Fr. That's an R. All right, so next, this is when it gets a little tricky. Sounds like it should be a U, right? But it's an O. We just have to remember that the word from is spelled with an O and not a U. We just have to remember. From. That's an M at the end. So our 2 new sight words this week were do and from. All right, now let's go over our digraph that we learned. So remember, a digraph is a sound that 2 letters make when they're together. So we know that C normally makes a k sound, like cat. C, cat, k. And we know that H normally makes a h sound, like hat. H, or H, h. Let me try that again, y'all. H, hat, h. There, I got it. H, hat, h. But when a C and an H are next to each other, it makes a whole new sound. It makes a cha sound. So let's see. When a C is just by itself without an H around it, it normally makes a k sound. When an H is just by itself without a C in front of it, it would normally just make a h sound. But if there is a C and then an H together, it makes a new sound. It makes a cha sound, like cha choo-choo train, or cha Charles, or cha chat, or cha chop. All right, let's spell a word that starts with just a C, and then we're going to spell a word that starts with just an H, and then we're going to spell a word that starts with a CH. Okay, the word I want us to spell that starts with just a C, so just a k, is cat. Cat. Okay, let's spell it. K. I'll do this side so you can see a little better. Cat. That's a C, the k, That's an A. Cat. That's a T at the end, the t sound at the end. All right, we spelled a word that starts with a C, cat. Now let's spell a word, so I'm going to erase my board. Now let's spell a word that starts with just an H, just a h sound. I want to spell the word hot, like the weather gets hot in the summer. Hot. All right, that h sound at the beginning, that's an H. Aw. That's an O in the middle. Ought. That's a T at the end. So we spelled a word that just starts with an H. Hot. Okay, last thing we're gonna do. Let's erase our boards and let's spell a word that starts with a CH together. A CH together. All right, let's write our C and let's write our H. So CH together makes a ch sound. So we know our word is going to start with a ch. Okay, we're going to write the word chop. Like you saw your parents making dinner and they were chopping vegetables. Chop. Chop. All right, let's write it. We already have the CH. Ch. Ah. What letter makes the ah sound? We need an O. Ch. Ah. P. Ch. Ah. P. What letter makes the p sound at the end of chop? That's a P. Chop. All right, so we spelled a word that starts with a CH. Chop. Chop. All right, everybody, we can put our marker caps back on so they don't dry out. We can erase our boards if you were using a board and marker and put them back in your foundations bags. If you were using a pencil and paper, you can put those away, or maybe you were just listening. That's okay too. All right, I hope everybody has a great weekend. Bye.